This is MobileCheck Analyzer home screen. Click MobileCheck Imager from Tools menu to load. Click Next button. Different acquisition methods are displayed. Click on Physical to get a physical imaging on unrooted or rooted phones icon. Displays phone information. Enter case details. Select image file path. MobileCheck Imager provides a feature to generate a raw image or PNG image. Click OK to start acquisition. Displays log information of acquisition with process percentage. Process completed. Click New Case from File menu to load and analyze image on MobileCheck Analyzer. Displays feature to carve data from image as advanced options. Browse image file and click OK. Decoding of the image has been completed. Click on WhatsApp icon to display the social networking messaging details through WhatsApp. Display account information. Displaying chat messages sent or received. Check field named has attachment to check whether any message has attachment or not. Attachment details displayed below. Display video received as an attachment. Play audio file that's sent. Message status can be displayed by clicking on the content. Display group details of owner. Group name and group members are displayed. Group chat information along with content and status are displayed. Click on Skype icon to see the data decode from Skype application. Account name, message status, sender, receiver, and content are displayed. Attachment details shown below. Click on Hangouts icon to see the data decode from Hangouts application. Displayed private chat details, group details. Messages grouped together by name.